Hello, everyone. Today, my team will be speaking to you to provide you with some information regarding a new app we're developing called Pawfect Health. You'll hear from all 5 founders today: Adrian Bithwood, Bryce Gable, Carmelo Heyer, Lauren Tolliver, and Sarah Mullen. We know that by the end of this presentation, you'll be as excited about this app as we are. Pawfect Health was developed by a group of pet owners who identified a need within the pet care industry for an app that made organization and prioritization of their pet's health easy. As a team, we wanted to create an easy-to-use app that would keep track of our pets' health records and provide quick access to medical suggestions and vet care. We knew that making the app interactive and the data shareable was necessary, and so we set to work developing Pawfect Health. Pawfect Health is an app that provides the user with the ability to track and store their pet's health records. The app provides alerts and suggestions based on your pet's noted health. This can be helpful for the busy pet owner who may not realize it's time for the next round of medicine or the next vaccination booster. We've all been there. Additionally, Pawfect Health provides vet consultation options by utilizing a network of trusted veterinary professionals. The app also has a point-based reward system to keep users engaged. This can be a helpful way to encourage users to use the app and focus on their pet's health. This app provides an exceptional amount of value to their customers and partners. It provides the pet owners with an easy way to keep track of and prioritize their pet's health. This app saves users time while also helping them to stay organized and giving them a sense of control over their pet's health. Potential partners are veterinary clinics and animal shelters. Pawfect Health provides these partners with additional business through their veterinary consultations, but additionally, by encouraging pet owners to utilize Pawfect Health, these people will have improved tracking of their pet records, which will make things easier for clinics and shelters. Pawfect Health will also provide advertising opportunities to their partners. Ideally, our customer segment is going to be starting off with millennials and Gen Z individuals who view pets as their family. But additionally, we can see it branching out to all busy professionals or families with a hectic lifestyle who still love and care for and want to prioritize their pet's health. Additionally, we could see this going forward to potential rural pet owners who may not have veterinary close to them, and so remote veterinary care might be one of their only options. We really see a tremendous amount of value for this app.
Direct competitors for Pawfect Health are Vester, 11 Pets, and Chewy. All the direct competitors offer online pet care management services. These services range from scheduling veterinary care, online pharmacy services, and medication and food management. Our indirect competitors are Banfield Pet Chat, Petco Vital Care Management, and Trupanion. These services offered are not directly in competition with Pawfect Health. For example, Trupanion provides pet insurance and digital pet training services. These services are two examples of services we do not offer at Pawfect Health. Within this market, we expect to see continued growth. We expect this growth due to pet humanization, the increased opportunity for virtual veterinary visits, and the increased use of apps to track health for pets by millennials and Gen Z customers. The pet care industry is growing at a fast pace. In 2024, customers spent $151.9 billion on their pets. We expect to see $157 billion spent in 2025. For the pet care wellness app market, the value of the market in 2023 was just under $600 million. In 2032, the value is expected to reach $2.5 billion, which is a 17% growth per year increase.
Our core audience would be millennials and Gen Z pet owners. The people who treat their pets like family. They value convenience, affordability, and trustworthy guidance, and Pawfect Health fits seamlessly into that lifestyle. Beyond that, we reach busy professionals, families, and royal pet owners, people who want to care for their pets but often lack the time, access, or reliable information to do it easily. Pawfect Health bridges that gap. It's simple, all-in-one app that helps users track wellness, set reminders, connect with affordable vets, and get personalized recommendations. Whether it's a millennial checking reminders between meetings or a rural owner skipping a long drive to the clinic, Pawfect Health makes proactive pet care easy, accessible, and stress-free for everyone. Pawfect Health launches as a free app on iOS and Android, making it easier for pet owners. Beyond digital ads, we're partnering with veterinarians, shelters, and pet stores for co-branded promotions and referral programs. Influencer partnerships will expand our visibility to over 2 million pet owners, and our referral and loyalty programs turn users into advocates, keeping acquisition costs low. Our free model keeps the app accessible, with premium features as low as $4.99 per month and televet sessions as low as $25 per visit. Our approach blends smart digital marketing with trusted partnerships.
In this slide, we will discuss the pain points for customers and how Pawfect Health will address those issues. In the first section, we see routine vaccinations and medication administration and timely checkups are issues for customers. The Pawfect app will address these by providing automated reminders, and it will also have a tracking dashboard to help the patient see what is needed for their pet. We'll also address product selection and food selection. Pawfect will have AI-driven recommendations and links to products that are highly recommended. In the next section, we address organization of records. In Pawfect, we have digital health records that are exportable to different apps or service providers / veterinarians. Price of pet visits are also pain points. In the app, we provide services online for telehealth visits with veterinarians and consultations that will be priced reasonably. The last two sections address confidence and organization and the ability to track services and programs that the customers and their pets are enrolled with. All the information that we will need to be tracked will be in the app, which provide less stress and less hassle for the customers and ease of use.
Here's how Pawfect Health scales from idea to impact over the first 2 years. In months 1 to 3, we focus on the foundation. So building our prototype, forming our development plan, and partnering with veterinarians and shelters to make sure our app is both practical and trusted. By months 4 to 6, we move into beta testing, launching with early users to collect feedback, refine the experience, and strengthen our televet integration. Months 7 to 9 are all about launch preparation, so finalizing the app, setting pricing, and building momentum through marketing and clinic partnerships. By month 12, we officially launch on iOS and Android with the free model, referral rewards, and social media campaigns centered on our message: healthy pets, happy owners. Months 13 to 18 are focused on growth, so expanding partnerships with vets and influencers, rolling out new features, and building recurring subscription revenue. And finally, months 19 to 24 are all about scaling and optimizing, adding the AI health insights, wearable integrations, and exploring partnerships with companies like Chewy or Petco to expand reach. By the end of the 2 years, Pawfect Health isn't just an app. It's going to be a trusted wellness ecosystem for pet owners everywhere.
When evaluating the financial analysis of our business, it is important to begin with considering our revenue streams. Our company operates primarily on a subscription-based model, offering clients 3 tiers of service. The first is a free plan, designed to initially attract users to the platform. We then offer 2 paid subscription tiers, which are strategically priced at $22 for the standard plan and $155 for the full suite plan. These prices were based on benchmarking comparable companies within our industry. In our first year, we anticipate reaching approximately 9,000 subscribers, with growth projected at the industry's compounded annual growth rate of 5.9%, leading to roughly 10,600 subscribers by year 3. Subscription revenue will account for approximately 95% of total revenue, while the remaining 5% will come from commissions earned by third-party veterinarians who offer their services through our site. Collectively, these streams of revenue are expected to generate around $527,000 in year 1, growing to approximately $682,000 by year 3. After accounting for costs of goods sold to deliver our services and other operating expenses such as software licensing, advertising, administrative costs, and research and development, we project an annual operating margin in year 1 of approximately negative 3.6%, which are primarily driven by early investments in research and development of our technologies and marketing. However, As we scale and optimize our operations, profitability is expected to improve to a net operating margin of 2.4% by year 3. Our business is launching with an initial $20,000 investment each across our 5 founders for a total of $100,000. In our first year, we did not anticipate to have any inventory expenses as we are a services-based company. However, we expect $200,000 in capital expenditures to acquire the equipment necessary to establish our services. We anticipate raising an additional $250,000 in venture capital to support our early growth and operations. By year 3, through careful management and strategic bootstrapping initiatives, we expect to generate $50,000 in excess cash, leaving us with a positive ending valuation of $6,000. This strong foundation positions our company for steady, sustainable growth in years ahead.
To launch Pawfect Health, we're raising between $200,000 and $250,000 in seed funding. Funds will be allocated to product development, marketing and user acquisition, payroll and team expansion, and the rest of operations and runway. Our funding mix starts with the founder contribution, family and friend support, but of course the main target is angel investors. This investment enables us to enhance the app, scale marketing, and build financial stability while positioning Pawfect Health for future partnerships with leaders like Chewy or Petco. Thank you all so much for your time and interest, and we'd love to invite you to be a part of this journey.